Top 5 best foldable phones right now. Foldable phones are taking over. Here are the top 5 foldable phones you can buy right now. Let's dive in. 5. Motorola Razr Ultra. Starting at number 5, the Motorola Razr Ultra. This flip phone brings serious style and substance. You get a massive 4-inch cover screen, so you can use apps without even opening the phone. The titanium reinforced hinge feels premium and durable. It's got dual 50-megapixel cameras for incredible photos. Plus, the 4700 mAh battery is the longest lasting on any flip phone. And the design? Absolutely stunning with unique wood panel options. If you want a compact phone that fits in any pocket and turns heads, this is it. For Google Pixel Fold. At number 4, we have the Google Pixel Fold. This foldable has the best cameras you'll find on any foldable device, period. The triple camera system is phenomenal. But here's what really sets it apart. Full IP68 rating. That means it's dust resistant and water resistant. You can actually take this phone anywhere without babying it. Inside, you get 16 gigs of RAM with Google's powerful Tensor G5 chip and a gorgeous 7.8-inch display. Plus, all of Google's AI features are built right in. This is the toughest foldable that can survive real life. 3. Vivo X Fold Pro. Coming in at number 3, the Vivo X Fold Pro. This is a battery king. We're talking a massive 5700 mAh battery. In stress tests, this thing lasts 6 hours and 45 minutes. That's over 13 hours of web browsing and more than 10 hours of video playback. It charges fast too, both wired and wireless. If you're a power user, a traveler, or just someone who hates charging their phone constantly, this is your phone. You'll never worry about battery anxiety again. 2. Oppo Find N. Number 2 is the Oppo Find N. This is a photographer's dream and the productivity powerhouse. It has the highest camera score of any foldable on the market. Triple 50-megapixel cameras deliver stunning shots every time. And you can use a stylus on both displays for note-taking or drawing. The Boundless View feature lets you run 3 apps at once. Seriously. And with O+ Connect, you can pair it seamlessly with your Mac or PC. The design is elegant too, with matte black or layer white finishes. For overall productivity and creativity, this is hands down the best foldable available. 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. And our number 1 pick, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Samsung has absolutely perfected the foldable. This is the thinnest and lightest Z Fold they've ever made. It's got a flagship 200-megapixel camera that rivals the S25 Ultra. The 8-inch inner OLED display is absolutely stunning. Under the hood, you're getting the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with up to 16 gigs of RAM. Galaxy AI is integrated throughout the entire system, and they've redesigned the hinge, so the crease is nearly invisible now. This is the most refined, polished, premium foldable on the entire planet. This is foldable perfection. So there you have it, the top 5 foldable phones you can buy right now. Which one would you choose? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and follow for more tech content. I'll see you in the next one.